Oh, hey there. So I heard that you need sod or fencing or sprinkler repair or install. Well, let me tell you this, I can help you. So, is your sprinkler, do you have an existing sprinkler system? You do, okay. Is your sprinkler head doing something like this? Shooting water straight into the air? Well, we can fix that. We can fix that for you ASAP. Is it not doing that? Is your whole system not turning on? Well, we can fix that too. Do you have a fence that's falling over from the wind? We get really bad wind here in Texas in that tornado valley. You know how it is. Did it fall over? We got you. Is it old and rusty? Is it falling down? We got you. Do you want just a new fence because you don't have one existing anyway? Well, we got you. You need a fence, you need sprinklers, we got you. But wait, there's more. If you need sod, we got you on that too. Is your grass dead? Does it look like how all this stuff looks around here with all these bare spots? Well, guess what? They didn't call us yet, but they're about to because we got them just like we got you. And we can fix it up if it's looking bare or if you just want to switch it up. Maybe you got a lot of weeds. We got you on the sod. So sod, sprinklers, fence, you name it. We got you. On Point Contract.